Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of a PNG file in Affinity Designer. This is a quick and effective way to modify image colors without needing to recreate or edit the original file, making it perfect for designers working with logos, icons, or any PNG graphics that need a fresh color scheme. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you can either open your existing file or create a new one. After your workspace is ready, click on the PNG image that you want to change the color of. Make sure the image is selected, as this is crucial for the next steps to work properly. Now direct your attention to the right panel, particularly the Layers section. This is where you'll access the color adjustment tools that will transform your PNG. In the Layers section, look for the Adjustments button and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select HSL. HSL stands for Hue, Saturation, and Luminosity, which are the three main components that control color appearance in digital design. Once you've selected HSL, a preset color adjustment panel will appear in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is your control center for modifying the image's color properties. Here you'll see three main sliders that you can work with: Hue Shift, Saturation Shift, and Luminosity Shift. Each of these sliders serves a specific purpose in altering the appearance of your PNG. The Hue Shift slider allows you to completely change the base color of your image by shifting it along the color spectrum. The Saturation Shift controls how vivid or muted the colors appear, while the Luminosity Shift adjusts the brightness or darkness of the image. You can use these sliders by dragging them from left to right to adjust the color exactly how you want it. As you move each slider, you'll see the changes apply to your PNG in real time, making it easy to find the perfect color combination. Experiment with different combinations of these three adjustments until you achieve the desired color effect for your PNG file. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the color of your PNG file in Affinity Designer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.